Hey you guys. Hey, we're back on YouTube. I feel like I always say this and then I be gone for like months. Months to a year. But I'm not gonna lie. I really do miss like the whole me making makeup videos, business videos and all that. I really do really do miss it. And since we are rebranding, I feel like this is the perfect time you know, to get all this stuff going. So today's gonna be a super busy day for me. We're gonna do like a vlog style type of thing, little video. I did get some jars in for my TikTok shop because if you guys don't know, Velez Beauty, the main website, is actually shut down because we're rebranding. But I do still have my TikTok shop up with a few items. So you have our beauty oils on there, a few lip glosses, and we're gonna add, I'm gonna see if I can add some blush palettes. I have to see some blush palettes, and I also have to see if I can add and add some body butters and lip scrubs. But we're gonna be filming quite a few videos today. Like today's gonna be super busy for me, honestly. I really want to try to film at least 3 videos today. So this vlogging video where I'm like working with the body butters, you know, trying to come up with a formula for our highlighters and our highlighter base and a base for cream bronzers. And then I also want to do like a little makeup video. I miss doing makeup. I was literally talking to hubby the other day and I was like, I kind of miss doing makeup. I kind of miss influencer Rose. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I do miss the beauty influencer Rose. So I think we're gonna come back and like I'm gonna give you guys, you know, a little bit of everything. But let's get to it. Let's get to work, y'all, because that's what y'all came here to see. Y'all didn't come here to see me chat. Y'all came here to see me work and be nosy like always. I do have a packaging video. Oh my god, I have a packaging video I have to edit too. So let me put you guys here on my little tripod and then we can get to it. So I'm gonna start with just a small batch of jars for the, what is it called, for the body butters for our TikTok shop, because I have never sold body butters on our TikTok shop. I have only sold our turmeric and honey scrub and our beauty oils, which have done well. I would say the turmeric and honey scrub has done a lot better than our beauty oils. I feel like a lot of people just end up going to our website for our beauty oils, but we do have them available in our TikTok shop, you guys. So I have 2 bowls here, as you guys can see. I'm finally gonna like keep these this daggone table clean so I can actually utilize it for work as well. Oh, I was about to say, I know they didn't pay me. Okay, so this little set that I bought here, I got it from Amazon, and it has 12 4-ounce body butter jars and then also some like lip scrub jars. So I'm gonna actually have these soak for now. Oh, I don't want to cut these labels. I think I'm gonna just use my thermal printer. Oh, these are so cute. So these are the jars. I'm gonna see if I could do lip masks as well. This is a lot of product. Focus, man. Oh, it's like focusing on my shirt. Anyway, this is a lot of product. So I'm gonna just like put that in there. These have a lining. They do. I need a. How freaking fluffy this butter is, like so fluffy, literally. Okay, so right here, you guys, I was actually
talking about like labels and what the heck I was gonna name the body butters, which later on in the video you're actually gonna see. We actually named the body butters Opulent Body Melts. So anytime you go on our site, that is what they're gonna be named, and you guys will know that it's our body butters. Right here, I actually did not finish like creating labels because just kept getting stuck. I wasn't sure, but eventually we got it together, and yeah, the labels got done.
Okay, so this is the body butter. This is the consistency that we like to go for, right? So what I really want to do right now is just make sure that all the body butter that we need today is just with that way I don't have to keep coming back and forth and whipping and whipping and whipping. I could just get everything done now, and then we could get right into the next step. So that's what I'm gonna really focus on right now. I am gonna take a little bit of this body butter because we can use this. We are gonna use this for our lip scrubs. I just checked, we do have enough sugar. So, damn it, I forgot to weigh this. Shoot. Okay. Alright, so this is what we have. What I'm about to do is right now I am going to go ahead and scoop out some more body butter and put it in here, and we're gonna continue to, like I said, whip 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 whip, and then once I'm done doing this, we will go ahead and move on to the scrubs. We'll do the scrubs because I'm still trying to figure out the labels. Honestly, I do have a name now for the body butters. They're going to be called Opulent Body Melts, because I'll just show you guys, like, they literally, this is the body butter, it's my skin, literally just melts. It literally just melts into the skin. So I feel like that'll be a safe name, because I don't want to name it body fluff or whipped body butter like most people do, or icing, body icing. I kind of want to make it a little bit different because with this rebrand we are giving more, we want to give more of like that luxe feel for our body, like all of our products, honestly. Like this rebrand is, you know, it's not just about remarketing, but also like really kind of like 10 toes down on how we want people to view our brand and our products. So I don't want it to just be seen, oh, it's an affordable small business. It's a business that does everything that everybody else does. I mean, everybody does the same shit. Yes, that is true. But I want to show people that we do it in a different way. So we do make our own products. Most people don't. Most people private label. Most people buy wholesale. They have, some people do have labs do everything for them. And I prefer to do everything myself. Source the ingredients myself. You know, look into healthier alternatives. We try to stay as natural and, you know, organic, vegan as possible. So yeah. So technically I need about 48 ounces of butter to fill all the jars. So I think I'm gonna try to just make as much of it as possible, and then we'll figure out if that's enough. Because one of the, like, the biggest things with body butters, a lot of people don't know this, They tend to double in size. It doubles. It gets bigger and bigger.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the creamy lip scrubs. So I think I showed you guys that I make it. Yeah, I did. So I had to just dry off the jars a little bit because they were still a little wet. And we did pomegranate scented creamy lip scrubs. Our lip scrubs are not edible, you guys, because it has shea butter in it. It has our body butter base in it. So please do not eat them. It's not just sugar and oil. Please do not eat them if you guys do order it. Also, I wanted to touch base. We are no longer selling on our TikTok shop. We do have our backup site up, which is our Square account. Until we finish like designing our Shopify how we want it to be. So we do have some of this stuff available. We took everything off of our TikTok shop because we were having issues with the TikTok shop. Like, we will add the products, they'll approve everything, all the stuff that they asked for, everything was approved, right? Then when it came to like promoting and adding those products to our videos, for promotion and stuff like that, it would delist the products and say that it's missing information that it was already approved for. So they delist products twice already, and I just can't have that. Um, so that is, yeah, I will link it down below if you guys are interested. And just to make it very, very clear, my hands were cleaned. I cleansed my hand throughout this entire video. Yes, I had to cut a lot of stuff out, but I did cleanse my hand over and over. I always had a bottle of alcohol spray, and I washed my hands multiple times as well. So yes, my hands were sanitized. I just had to make these products, and I had ran out of gloves. So these are safe. I promise. I never make products and I don't take into, consideration of doing it the right way. But yeah, so we filled up the jars and this video is already pretty much long and there's so much more that was done this day. So make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2, which we will be doing body butters and the labels. So come back for part 2. That will be up sometime this week. And thank you guys for watching this video. We're back on YouTube. I'm so happy. Hopefully I can stay consistent this time. But I love you guys so, so much. And yeah. Bye.